Back now on a busy Friday night with new bombshells in the OJ case. The knife allegedly found at OJ's former house obviously brings up a whole lot of questions.
Oh, yeah. Like, could this discovery lead to OJ being retried for murder, or is this all a hoax, perhaps? Ken has all the answers.
I was quite shocked.
A brand new bombshell in the OJ Simpson case.
Within the last month, LAPD became aware of an item that was allegedly recovered by a citizen at the Rockingham property. The actual item is described as a knife.
Could this knife be the missing link in the double murder case that's captivated the country for over 20 years? While multiple law enforcement sources say the knife does not appear consistent with the murder weapon, it cannot be ruled out until forensic tests are completed.
The person that we received this knife from is a retired LAPD officer.
The knife was allegedly given to the now retired officer by a construction worker who claimed it was found on the perimeter of OJ's demolished property. OJ was acquitted of killing Nicole Brown and Ron Goldman. The murder weapon was never recovered, and the case remains open to this day. Now, this new discovery raises new questions. Could the introduction of this new knife lead to OJ being retried for the murders?
There's such thing called double jeopardy, which means that you cannot be tried twice for the same crime. So OJ Simpson could never be tried for murder again.
All these years later, is it even possible to gather evidence from a knife that's been buried? Forensic experts say it would be hard to get fingerprints after all this time, but they will likely swab for DNA and see if it tests positive for blood. Will the police officer who had the knife all these years be charged with a crime?
He could be charged with obstruction of justice if the district attorneys can prove that he had the intent to conceal.
And could this whole thing be a hoax? The timing seems a bit suspicious now that the whole country is obsessed with this case again, thanks to FX's The People vs. OJ Simpson American Crime Story.
Is there any reason to believe that this could be a publicity stunt?
We'd rather not give it opinions because we don't know that.
Interestingly, while the murder weapon was never found, this is not the first knife entered into this case. Simpson owned a knife that his defense used in court, which was free of any evidence, and 3 days before Nicole and Ron's bodies were found, Simpson had been elected to the board of directors of a company that distributes Swiss Army knives. He resigned from the board during the trial.